I don't think people realize Sapporo is a whole vibe. Want ramen? Want skyline views? Want beer? Want snow magic? Here are 5 things you can't miss. Start at Odori Park. Perfect for photos and festivals, especially the Snow Festival in winter. Next, hit the Sapporo TV Tower for quick skyline views. Craving food? Dive into Susukino's Ramen Alley. Miso ramen is the city's claim to fame. For chill vibes, stroll through the historic Hokkaido Shrine. Enjoy its peaceful tree-lined grounds. Last, visit the Sapporo Beer Museum. Learn the brew story and toast with a fresh draft. Quick tip, buy a day transit pass to zip between spots. Like this list? Smash like and subscribe for more rapid travel hits. See you in Sapporo. Swift, tasty, unforgettable.